Have you ever bought something, then at home you realized it was wrong? In this daily life English conversation, you will learn simple English for returning an item at a store, asking for a refund, showing a receipt, and staying calm.
Hi, I need to return this item, please.
Sure, what would you like to return today?
This blender. I bought it yesterday.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. Is the item unused?
I opened the box, but I did not use it.
That is fine. Is everything inside the box?
Yes, all the parts are here.
Great. May I ask why you are returning it?
It is too big for my kitchen.
I understand. Do you want an exchange or a refund?
I would like a refund, please.
Okay. Did you pay with cash or card?
I paid by card.
All right. The refund will go back to the same card.
How long will it take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
Okay, that works for me.
Let me check the date on the receipt.
Sure, take your time.
You bought it yesterday, so it is within our return period.
Good. I was worried it might be too late.
No, you are fine. Do you have the original packaging?
Yes, I brought the box.
Perfect. I will scan the barcode now.
Okay, thank you.
The system says it is eligible for return.
So I will get a full refund?
Yes, a full refund to your card.
Do you charge a restocking fee?
No, not for this item.
That is a relief, thank you.
You are welcome. Can I see your card to confirm the purchase?
I do not have the card with me, is that a problem?
Not always, but it can help. Do you have a digital card?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Great, that works. Thanks for showing it.
I felt stressed. I do not return things often.
I understand. Returns can feel awkward, but it is normal.
I was afraid you would say no.
If it meets the policy, we are happy to help.
What is the return policy, exactly?
You can return most items within 30 days, with a receipt.
What if I lose the receipt?
Then it can be store credit, and we may ask for an ID.
I see, so the receipt makes it easier.
Yes, it saves time for both of us.
Can I get the return receipt by email?
Yes, please tell me your email address.
It is sarah.lee@mail.com.
Thanks, I will send the confirmation now.
Great, will I get a message when the refund is complete?
Your bank may notify you, and you can check your account.
Okay, I will check in a few days.
All set, your return is processed.
Thank you, you made this easy.
You are welcome. Is there anything else you need?
No, that is all. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks for coming in today. Thanks for listening to Daily Life English. Please like, share, and subscribe for more simple English conversations.